The objective of today's video is to search the documents which are registered under the some registrar in the state of मध्य प्रदेश. इसका अर्थ है कि अगर मध्य प्रदेश में कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट रजिस्टर्ड हुआ है किसी भी सब रजिस्ट्रार के यहाँ, तो आप उसको कैसे देख सकते हैं और कैसे पता लगा सकते हैं वो प्रॉपर्टी किसके नाम पर है. जब आप कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी खरीदते हैं और उसका ड्यू डिलीजेंस करते हैं, तो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि आपको किसी एक्सपर्ट को ही ये काम सौंपा जाए. आप खुद भी मध्य प्रदेश की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट्स जो हैं गवर्नमेंट द्वारा दी गई हैं, उसके द्वारा आप खुद भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स की रजिस्ट्रियां सर्च कर सकते हैं. या फिर आपको कभी कोई चेन डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं मिल रहा है तो भी आप इस पोर्टल का इस्तेमाल करके वो डॉक्यूमेंट निकालवा सकते हैं गवर्नमेंट को फीस देने के बाद. So first what you have to do is you have to go to Sampada 2.0 in Google and open this. Okay, here this is the option login करें या पंजीयन करें, which means if you already have an account then go to the login option, but you do not have an account then go to the पंजीयन करें option, which is, and if you are not a service provider, bank or so company or society, then you have to go by the उपयोगकर्ता पंजीकरण. It is the user login, and then you have to do some KYC and everything. After that you will be eligible to use the portal. So like, since I have already done the citizenship login, that is the user login, I can directly go to the search by document option. So here I have gone, like, you can just click on the search and certified option, this type will appear. So suppose if your document is registered after 2014, by which it was earlier called the Sampada portal, so a unique registration number used to be given for such registration. You can just type the unique registration number and whatever it is and enter the captcha code and you will be able to get the document. But suppose if the document is before the Sampada came into the process, if it is not, it was before 2014, suppose it was after 2014, but you do not know the registration number or you do not have the copy of the registry. So what you have to do, you have to find it through to say area wise. Like suppose it is the Bhopal, I want to find for the current financial year or suppose last five financial years. So I have to select the date. Or even before, like suppose I want to search of 2017. Like I am under an apprehension that the supposed sale deed which I am going to search is between November 2016 to 31st January 2017. It was executed between this. Now we have to select one of the option. Suppose if it is a sale deed, then you have to select the conveyance option, and you can search by party details or by property details. Okay, so if you know the name of the party between which the deed was executed, so you can just enter that name. But if you want to know by the property address, then if you have the property ID means the ID which the Nagar Nigam gives you to pay their sampatti par. Or if you have an address of some colony or something like that, then you can go here, enter the captcha, and you can do it. So I have just taken an example of a very common name I have and given the plot. So you can see on that name there are two properties has been executed between this time area, and you can just apply for it. And by this you now can get the details of who was the executor party, who was the seller, and who was the owner, and who was the buyer, where the property is situated, what is the name of the property, what is the kasa number, uh, what is the north side of the plot, south side of the plot, east and west, and everything. So these are the details available. So that's how you can actually know the property. But suppose if you do not even have the party name, so then you have to actually go by the address, and by that, and after that enter the captcha, and you can actually get. So here no data is being found, which means that there is no data or no property or no plots or something is being executed between this time period, or I have to write a proper address, like okay, we have actually executed.